What happens if lightning hits a plane? Surprisingly, almost nothing. Modern aircraft are designed to take lightning strikes safely. In fact, planes are hit by lightning about once every 1 to 2 years. When lightning strikes, the electrical charge travels along the aircraft's outer skin. The metal shell acts like a protective shield called a Faraday cage. The electricity flows around the cabin and exits through another point on the aircraft, usually the tail. Inside the plane, passengers don't feel a thing. The electronics are shielded, the fuel tanks are protected, and the structure is built to handle the energy. So yes, lightning can hit a plane, but thanks to engineering, it's rarely dangerous. Follow AeroFacts for more aviation explainers.